Hi, I'm Steve Lee. The company is Regal Precision Engineers. We make precision components for the aircraft and the aero engine industry, generally small to medium size, quantities of 1 to 1,000. We've been involved in the ASCE 2 project for 2 years, and we've seen the improvements throughout the business. Everybody at Regal's had to be involved. We've all got to engage. A recent incident, one of our champions swept up a pile of dust and swarf into a nice neat pile into the gangway, and we as a management team on our management walk stepped over it without giving it a second thought, and then on return stepped over it again. It was then highlighted to us by the same champion that if we weren't prepared to do anything about it, if we weren't spotting it, how on earth was anybody else supposed to do? It's a good lesson to us, and I hope we learned from that it's got to be engaged and embedded throughout the business. This is the process confirmation board. Here, the machinist involved in the clean and checks will see who should be doing the clean and checks today. As they've done them, they'll green that out to say that's been done. Every week, they'll be accompanied by a supervisor, and every fortnight by a manager. And every month, it's my responsibility or a fellow director to accompany them. That shows us that we're committed, that we believe in it. There's multiple benefits for Regal about clean and check, not least of which is that the business is always visit ready. The machines are clean. We get a customer unannounced, I can bring them straight onto the machine shop without concerns.
I'm Alan Holmes, and I basically run the shop floor. We set up this continuous improvement problem solving, whereas it used to be the management team that decided what was the problem, maybe not really listening to the people on the shop floor. So now we've got them involved. Improvement suggestions, they can write whatever they want. We then set up a meeting once a week to try and keep it to a minimum of half an hour. And what we do, we look at the suggestions. We have orange where we're actively sorting these out, and the black shows just how far on we are. This is a tool store. We did have big issues where all the tooling were at every corner of the factory. Certain people knew where one thing were, people knew where others. So we've created this so that we have a central store for everything. We have shadow boards that we've come up with, designed. We used to have tooling just on the side. People would come and borrow it for another machine, take it away, not fetch it back. Just the basic stuff that we need to set this machine up. Now, we've improved setting up time, downtime, where we've spoke with the shop floor staff and the management team, and we've come up with this system where it works on 4 pull studs. We just put them on, set your machine going. You can run 4 parts. You can be putting 4 more parts and fixtures here. When it's finished, you take them off with just 1 screw there, put your new ones back in, press go, and it gives you ample time to check them whilst that machine's running.
Although the ASCE 2 journey hasn't always been easy, it's provided some fantastic successes. And what it's also done, it's enabled us or given us the tools to carry on into the future.